Disaster preparation. Source, BBC, US News. By visualgk.com. Technologies to fight nature. The most recent figures show that natural disasters caused losses of $131.7 billion in 2018, and affected millions of people around the world. While Mother Nature is unpredictable, several technologies promise to help with preventive and adaptive measures. Scientists are recreating extreme weather and natural disasters inside labs. Their aim: to prepare for the next big catastrophes. Making waves. Flowwave, Edinburgh, UK. Capable of making 28 meters high waves, the University of Edinburgh's Flowwave is the world's largest circular wave and tidal tank. The 25 meters wide and 5 meters deep pool was built to test wave and tidal energy machines, which convert the ocean's energy into electricity, as well as for basic research on how waves are made at sea. Using 168 computer-controlled paddles, Flowwave can produce waves and tidal currents in any direction. Researchers are trying to understand how 25 meters plus freak waves can form when waves traveling in different directions cross paths. These giant waves are thought to have sunk many a ship over the centuries. Shake it up. E-Defense Facility, Kobe, Japan. The shake table at the E-Defense Facility, near Kobe, Japan, is the largest in the world. E in E-Defense stands for Earth. The 20 meters by 15 meters platform hides an array of 24 pneumatic pistons, which are controlled by engineers, to shake full-scale buildings in 3 directions, at earthquake-level intensities. The scientists survey the structural damage caused to the houses, with the aim of learning how building companies can better protect people's homes during earthquakes. Creating harsh weather. Scania Test Facility, Sweden. At this sophisticated climate facility in Södertälje, Sweden, scientists can control the weather. Developed by truck manufacturer Scania, it is intended for testing heavy vehicles in the harshest weather conditions. Rollers under the parked vehicles allow the researchers to mimic speeds of up to 100 km per hour, as they study variables, such as driver visibility, windscreen wiper function, and the reaction of different components. Scania hopes that its facility will help improve fuel efficiency in demanding conditions, cutting down vehicles' emissions. Simulating hurricane. Wall of Wind, Florida. Florida International University created massive wall of wind to simulate hurricane conditions. Constructing a house that can withstand hurricane winds can be tricky, because the only way to run a test is to wait for a major storm to develop. Florida International University just changed all that with its Wall of Wind, a hurricane research facility with 12 massive fans that can brew up wind speeds of up to 157 miles per hour, the equivalent of a Category 5 hurricane. Researchers hope that the lessons learned at the Wall of Wind can help prevent serious property loss the next time a major hurricane hits the southern U.S. Cooking up lava. University of Buffalo, New York. Scientists are cooking up volcanic lava to understand the basic physics of what happens when water gets trapped inside molten rock. How do you cook up volcanic lava in the lab? A team at the University of Buffalo in New York has the recipe: take 45 liters of basaltic rock, put it in a furnace, bake for 4 hours until it reaches 1316 degrees Celsius, then pour it into an insulated steel box. This could help scientists learn more about explosions like the one that triggered the Icelandic ash cloud event in 2010, when meltwater from a glacier flowed into the erupting Eyjafjallajökull volcano, and threw ash 9 kilometers into the air. Mimicking tornado debris. Debris Impact Facility, Texas. You can't shoot a bullet through a brick wall, but fire a piece of wood at it hard enough, and you might have more luck. At 160 km per hour, a hardwood piece rips right through the bricks, as researchers at the Debris Impact Facility at Texas Tech University have demonstrated by firing a piece of wood from their pneumatic cannon. Even though a bullet shot from a gun moves faster, a strip of wood is heavier, so the impact is greater. This explains why debris thrown by a tornado can cause so much damage. The researchers use their cannon to simulate the impacts of flying debris in tornadoes, traveling at up to 400 km per hour, testing storm shelters, safe rooms, doors and windows to their limits. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com